first time for me trying the audio on the Cardo. I'm just ripping around Hamilton. So I tried listening to music on the Cardo. And, like, it's nice to be able to listen to music, but, like, I kind of like taking in the environment of where you're riding. Something about it. I mean, like, it's nice to listen to music, but, I don't know, it's something different about, like, riding in the atmosphere of like, where you are. This is, like, the second real nice day of spring. We had one very rare day. It was like 20 degrees in March. But now finally we got another 20 degree day. Unfortunately, I was at work all day, so I missed out on riding, but I got home from work and I decided, hey, let's take the bike out for maybe a couple hours. It's gonna rain at 10 p.m. It's currently like, what is it, 9 now? So, kind of open it up a little bit every now and then. I want to stop somewhere and take a photo for the gram. Maybe we'll do the gas station. Kind of like the idea of a gas station shot. Alright, we got about 15 minutes of recording time left on the camera. I guess we'll make the most of it going home. That was a good enough ride. Not much to see in the dark, to be honest, so not too bad. Can't see out of the visor. It's getting foggy for like it's like cool air, but it's like warm out. It's weird. So we're just riding around down. It's kind of like Weston Hamilton through downtown, going east on Main. It looks like a really busy time right now. It's like, where are people going? On a Monday. I heard they're converting Main Street into a two-way. Apparently there are a lot of pedestrians getting hit, I guess. So I guess over the summer they're going to be converting it to two-way traffic, and I don't know how people feel about that, but I kind of like that. Oh, another rider. Oh, 2 or 3 riders? Yeah, like, I kind of like that Main Street was all one way, because, like, if you time it right, you can hit all the green lights all the way down. But I feel like now we're not going to have that. My visor's so foggy, I can't even... Maybe once I get moving... Oh yeah, I'm like moving now and it's cleared up, so we're good. Oh my god, they gotta fix these potholes. Oh fuck. Ever since they renovated the TV Coliseum, like the hockey arena, there's always traffic there. Oh man, this is bad. God. So I have to look directly in front of me. I'm usually looking far away. Alright, so now we're basically downtown. Like, we're almost at City Hall. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 open lanes of traffic, but there's like a lot of cars in front of me. But it's not too busy. It's like okay, it's slow. Yeah, I'm looking down there and it's like, yeah, there's a lot of red lights. Man, I can't even let go of my handlebars because it's so bumpy, it's crazy. Oh, let's beat this red. Okay, we made it. Alright, so that's City Hall. I like riding down Main Street at night. It's kind of peaceful in a way. Especially late at night. It's not even late right now, but like when it's late at night, it's kind of just quiet, like no one's on the roads. It's like peaceful. Like you kind of feel like Batman. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, another red. We made it. Especially the black on black. Yeah, so this is my first time using the Cardo. I haven't taken any calls on it yet. But I did listen to music. Like the audio quality is really good. you can also talk to Siri. So like, if you want to like change a song, like pause a song, turn the volume up, ask for the weather, you can use Siri. The microphone works. I don't want to say right now, if you say, hey, blank, or if you're on Google, you say, okay, Google, or hey, Google. I mean, yeah, I just got this, and it's kind of cool. I haven't rode it with any buddies yet, but like, for sure this spring and summer, we're going to be riding a lot, so some of us got it, so it'll be really helpful. Holy shit, these roads. And every time I stop, like, my advisory gets foggy. It's on the inside, though. Like, breathing heavy or what? Okay, now we got open roads. I just gotta watch out for potholes now. This Tinder advisor doesn't help either, so I'm going way too stealth for my own good. I'm gonna try to zip past these cars. If I can, there's cars everywhere. This lane's kind of open. Cars are moving. Oh, that car's moving. I'm gonna follow him. But yeah, so this was a fun little test to test out the Cardo audio. I'll definitely be making more of these like vlog style. I'm eventually gonna get my chin mount for my GoPro attached, so it'll be more of a POV. It was actually really fun. I'm not used to like just riding, talking to myself. I'm usually like sitting in silence or like singing to myself. I'll be doing some riding tips for new riders. I don't know, I might do something like, you know, how to get your license if you want it. We're definitely going on a few road trips this summer. Up north maybe, go to Aurora, maybe Collingwood again. So yeah, if you like this style of content, subscribe to my YouTube, it's Venom Ninja Moto. Also Instagram is the same thing, at Venom Ninja Moto. And TikTok is at Venom Ninja Moto as well. So those three I'm pretty active on. If I'm posting on one, I'm posting on the other. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.